to the sugar shack, to the sugar shack now. I will get you on your back now. Oh. I want to say